Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Java programming. So today I'm going to explain the simple project how to make simple registration form like that. So we are going to use this one how to generate with the help of Java Swing only. So as of you know, Java Swing is a part of the JFC. What we need means it is a powerful one. If you want to build anything like a graphical user interface, we need support of Java Swing here. Yes, so there will be n number of operations begin to Java Swing. So remember, so if you want to Java Swing, you can utilize anywhere with the help of Java Swing. So you can compile and you can do anything with the help of Java Swing. And why is so important because it is very easy, platform independent and customization also. So in this program what I am going to means I'm going to create a new main class called class registration. And in the program there's the class registration. First I'm going to get the class registration for generate the form, and I'm going to give my frame is called a new frame, my frame like that. This is step number one. Then I'm going to save the program as registration.java only. Then step number two, I am going to create another class called here class my frame. Remember, so if you go for Java thing, it will give it have collection of so many buttons, field like buttons label and input and outboxes, everything also. So I'm going to write a program. So step number one, I'm going to create a class reason, remember, and then step number two, I have a class my frame with external Java frame, and as of you know you have to import automatically Java x.swing and a java.aw asterisk symbol and java.aw.event and asterisk symbol and so on. So even handle support the event handling function and so on. Then I'm going to call the implements action listener. So step number one, creating a Java register. Step number two, class my frame, and step number three, we can call the constructor class constructor. And step number four, you can call the event handling function to implement all the button the field like button everything. At last we can save the program, that is called java is sorry registration.java. At last step you can go for, after writing the code you can go for compilation and execution. So here I'm going to continue the program. So components on the form I'm going to give private space container c, then private I'm giving j label as a title and another label as a name, and j text field as a t name, and j table MNO, and I'm giving J label as a gender, and J radio button as a male, and another button as a female, and button group as a GN, shortly given GNGP, and J label DOB. So as of you know, once create a form, it will show the information, and where the user can give the input. That means the name of the, so it will ask the name continuously, date of birth, field, and what are the information we're asking. At last address also. At last when I give submit button, it should be displayed in the next text box area. That is the advantage of using the simple user register form. There is no need of other HTML or anything. So we are continuing the coding here. Then I'm writing a then j combo box take date and month, and similarly I'm writing the year, and I'm going to add j label add. Then I'm giving j text area t add. Then j box t term, that is for we had to give accept to the terms and conditions. Then we give the another button called SCB submit button, and reset button. If you want if you do anything wrong, you can go for reset and clear everything, and you can write the text area t out and result, and then res, then text area res add, and then I'm going to write the date. So as of you know, date should be with any month have within 31, so I'm writing 1 2 3 like that, because the user have option to select the date of birth. Then I'm writing the month, I'm writing the 12 months January up to December, and years I'm writing approximately from 1995 to 2019. The user can select anything. If you want, you can add the information. And constructor, as I told you, constructor method we initialize the components with the default value. So I'm writing the code here public my frame, and set title I'm giving registration form, and bounds I'm giving as 300 90 900 600, and continuous writing c is equal to get dot sir get content plain of sir content pan. Then I'm writing layout, and title I'm giving registration form, and font size I'm say Arial, and like that I'm giving. So as of your idea about Java Swing, you can set everything and continue the name. Could give JBMS name, and there also I'm giving the set size and set location. Similarly, you can give the text file, JText field. If you want to, you can change it dynamically anytime. So this is the one, and similarly writing the mobile. So for mobile number getting from the user, I'm writing the MNO and setting the size, and similarly date I'm writing the another one, and gender also I'm writing the same. So you can copy paste and say when you add, what happened, the event handling support add the information, selecting the gender, selecting the date of the birth, and here also male or female you can select, and you can write the radio button like that, and go for button group, and where you can write male or female. You have only two enough, male or female, and date of birth I'm writing here. So like this you can give, and date also. So once a user have option, they can select the date from 1 to 31st anything, and month also I'm writing continuously I'm writing for the year. And so because the user can completely give the information, then add I'm giving the address. So this is the one where we can flexible to type the area. So you can give Delhi, Mumbai, and complete address. It will take care, it will accept everything. Then go for a text area, another text area, and give J checkbox for accept terms and conditions. If you not have, it will ask to fill it. Then similarly you can do the submit button. At the end of the form we have to give the submit button. If you do anything wrong, same you can go for reset button. So once you reset, what are the user we are enter, everything is cleared. So you can enter from the starting. Then we can give T out, that is new text area, where you add everything, set editable anything. So if you want, you can edit anything. And similarly giving the reset button, and again giving the form, and method to action performed I'm giving the public void action performed I'm giving. If e dot get source code sub, that means submit, then it will go and check the condition. It will get the data from the user. We are the user could give the name, then we can select either male or anything, then go for the gender, and else you can go for date of birth. Once completed everything good, it go for else condition, and select accept the terms and condition, and go for all the information. At last you can go for the class registration main code and complete the coding here. So let's go for execution. So simple and easy. If you want, you can use anything like new compiler. So already compiled, just I'm giving the java registration.java options like okay. So here I'm going to implement now. Just show the, so when I give java space registration, it display the simple registration form. Yeah. So I'm the user, I'm going to type like that, give like the name as a Peter, and mobile number I'm giving like this 8902345 just randomly. I'm select as a male. The option we have female also, but I'm getting female. I'm selecting the date to then I'm giving the March month like that. Now I'm going to give as a 89 2000, and address I'm giving like Delhi, just giving like that. Then I'm going to accept terms and condition and submit. So this is the way how we can successfully create the simple registration form with the help of JavaScript. So at last it printed whatever the information here we are giving, our name, mobile number, gender, DOB, address. This is generated without the help of any other like SQL or anything. I hope that you understand the video how to generate the registration form with the help of JavaScript. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.